Hey, so today we're here in Ride Snowboard's R&D facility in Seattle, Washington, and we're going to talk about pop rods. This is a pop rod, and we use these in our high-end snowboards. They add awesome ollie power without increasing the stiffness of the snowboard. The actual pop rod, as you can see, is a super lightweight piece of carbon that is wound into a hollow tube so you can see straight through it, and it's rigid, super light, and super stiff. And that's a pop rod. So now you know a little bit about pop rods. I'll go ahead and show you how these fit into the final snowboard. And to do that, we'll actually cut a prototype core here. This is our vertically laminated wood block that we use, and all of our snowboards have wood cores. So we'll throw this into our CNC machine, and that'll actually cut the shape of the snowboard, the profile, and you'll see the precision slots where the pop rods fit in, and it'll all make lots of sense.
Ride's new pop rods and pop sticks give already fun and playful boards the added liveliness to set them apart from the competition. This new technology adds pop without the stiffness generally associated with snappy boards, making it ideal for all freestyle maneuvers from butters to booters.
Okay, so that's the finished CNC'd snowboard core. You can see that was the wood blank we started with. Now it's profiled, shaped, and we have our recesses that are precision machined in for the carbon pop rods. You'll see there's actually 4 machined recesses in the core. 1, 2, 3, 4. They fit the profile of the hollow tube perfectly. What that allows us to do is actually bury the hollow lightweight carbon tubes inside the snowboard core. Traditionally, you would use a full-length stringer of flexible carbon fiber that would go from the tip to the tail. That would add ollie power in the tip and the tail. But to get enough carbon, you also end up stiffening up the center of the board here. By taking the same amount of carbon and winding it into this hollow carbon tube and localizing it only in the tip and the tail in the areas that load up during ollie, we get the same amount of ollie power, but we don't affect the center of the core. By doing that, what we end up with is a finished snowboard, which this core ends up inside with 2 pop rods in the tail and 2 pop rods in the tip, but no additional carbon in the center section of the board. So you end up with a super buttery, soft feeling board that has amazing ollie power. That's pop rods.